This 3-minute video shows you how to do butt fusion on aquatechnik 4-inch to 24-inch pipe. Close my cage. I just want to increase the heating pressure dial until the cage starts moving. So for me it's going to be 55 psi. Once I know that, I can use the app to figure out what my fusing pressure is going to be. So I'm just going to go down to fusing pressure and I'm looking for 221 psi. I'm going to put the selector up to facing and I'm going to close the cage. And from time to time I may need to adjust the facer. I don't want it to do any kind of binding noises or anything like that. I just want it to easily go through the pipe. If I need to increase it, I'll just slowly bring the gauge up a little bit until I'm happy and my facer's gone all the way through. And what we're looking for on both sides are really nice long strips. That gives you a good idea that it's nice and level. That's how it's done. Thanks for watching. Learn more at aquatechnik.com and please ask your distributor about aquatechnik training and certification.